Hey guys, how's it going? So I think Coinbase stock is going to skyrocket. My opinion only. We'll see what happens, but it does have on 1 year target estimate of $392.25. And yes, I do have a position with Coinbase, and I think it's going to go higher. Why do I think it's going to go higher? Because it's at 52. I bought it at like near 52-week low. I didn't get quite the bottom. The actual bottom was $170. Could it go back to $170? Sure. But right now with crypto skyrocketing, I don't think it's going to happen. They do have an earnings coming up here on February 24th, 2022. If it does somehow manage to go back to $170, I think it's a huge buying opportunity. Like a huge buying opportunity because they are going to announce fantastic earnings report. And I think the Coinbase stock's going to skyrocket from that. Again, this is my opinion and not financial advice. Voyager, I think their stock's going to go up too because Bitcoin went up. But they also announced some insane earnings report number of like $156 million. I think they are reporting on February 15th. I think their price is going to go higher. And I also think Coinbase stock is going to go higher. And from a charting perspective, it just looks like Coinbase stock is just getting started. And I think we're going to see Coinbase go back to 239 here in the very short term and break it and possibly go higher. And I think it's a huge buying opportunity right now. And I think I'm gonna make a pretty penny off of this. My opinion, not financial advice, but we'll see what happens. It's they're going to, once they announce that earnings report, it's going to be fantastic numbers, but I think the market is going to price that in before they report the earnings. So there might not be too much of a push to the upside when earnings, but if earnings was to happen like tomorrow or a day after, I think we could see a huge pop in price in the short term. Like a short squeeze to the upside, but we'll see. Only time will tell. They in the month of October, November, they VGX was launched on Coinbase, and there was a huge increase of volume. So that that helped with their money. Bitcoin was also very good in October and November. That helped Coinbase and all the altcoins. Shiba Inu stole a lot of business. Coinbase stole a lot of business from Robinhood because Robinhood refused to list Shiba Inu. And in the month of October and November, Shiba just skyrocketed, and people on Coinbase were trading. The retail investors on Coinbase were trading Shiba Inu quite heavily, and that caused that gave Coinbase a lot of money. Mana also, in the month of November, December, Mana was very volatile, and that gave them a lot of money. They also listed Crow, and Crow in the month of November was skyrocketed, and in December is huge amount of volatility. And Coinbase probably benefited a lot of money from the trading activity on Crow.com. And looks like volatility is coming back to Crow. So yeah, and then you just look at Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin has broken its 50-day moving average. So I think if Bitcoin just keeps going higher and higher, and Bitcoin's officially in a bullish trend right now. They're officially in a bullish trend. And I think we're going to have a golden cross. I think Bitcoin's going to go to like 50K here in the short term. And I think Coinbase is probably going to go back, to $250 here in the short term. My opinion only. I think by the end of this week we'll see $250, but only time will tell if I'm right or wrong. Yeah. Anyways, the market today is slightly green. Nasdaq is down up a lot. Oil is under a little bit of pressure. Hut 8 mining, of course, Hut 8 mining is up massively because, you know, Bitcoin going up, Hut 8 mining go up. It only makes sense. Shiba Inu, okay, I already talked about that. Nvidia is probably going to benefit from Bitcoin rallying. And so, you know, because Ethereum, Bitcoin, going to benefit. Anyways, that's it for the video. Let me hear your thoughts below. Like, if you think I'm an idiot and you think that Coinbase is going to go lower, let me hear your thoughts below. Why you think Coinbase is going to go lower? You know, just looking from a charting perspective, the MACD just crossed bullish. I'm thinking the MACD is going to go back to the neutral territory and then push to, you know, push higher. Because of Coinbase and cryptos are back, at least, you know, right now. I mean, some bad news could come out from the Fed or whatever, and it could cause Bitcoin to collapse, and, you know, and that would suck, and Coinbase would fall, and I would lose some money. But then, you know, whatever. That's the gamble you take betting in the market. Rose. Oasis Network. You know, look at that. I'm so happy with this stock. It's pushing higher. We'll see where it goes, but it's definitely going higher. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I kind of want to make this an 8-minute video because, you know, Coinbase, maybe the video do well, maybe it won't. Only time will tell. But I really do think Coinbase is going higher. Gut feeling tells me if Coinbase is gonna go higher. Look at Voyager. Like, Voyager is probably gonna go higher too. So Voyager and Coinbase, this stock looks very similar. Like, it looks very similar. Look at that. Like, Voyager bottom at 910, and it's just crossed the 50, the middle of the Bollinger Band. Coinbase is right on the middle of the Bollinger Band, and I think it's probably gonna cross it here very soon, and it's gonna go higher. But that's my opinion. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.